Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Expobar office control espresso machine. Now for this machine we just pretty much replace the electrical connections of the machine. When we open the machine up, we found that the power cable, the one that you see right here, basically this cable got too hot and just burned some of the electrical connections, as you can see right here. We ended up replacing all those, and now the machine is turning out fine and having excellent pressure, as well as hot water. Now we're just gonna do a test shot. Hopefully I pick up the right ground settings for this machine. I'm not using the original machine's water filter, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go. So that's it. Once finished, as you can see, we got a nice steady stream of coffee, good water flow, and excellent color. Glass of water, and there you have it. Expobar working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.